Here at the Nichols & Clark manufacturing plant in Stoke-on-Trent, we pride ourselves in manufacturing various water-based and latex-based levelling compounds. I want to bring forward a product that is unique to only a few people in this industry, ScreedPro EcoLevel 30. Others try to copy this formulation, but this is new technology. This allows you, even in low temperatures, to get down your screed within 3 to 4 hours. This product can go from 2 mil to 15 mil. This product has an exceptional flow to it, and it's fibre reinforced. It benefits us because contractors in the fast-paced industry use it so they can get in the morning, lay their screed, and then 3 or 4 hours later they can put a number of products that they couldn't actually do with a standard latex mix.